Hello students, in the last class we have discussed about the structure and functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is present very close to the nucleus, and there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum such as smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, then it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are absent on the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum, then it is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis, whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the site of lipid synthesis. In today's class, let us discuss about the structure and functions of Golgi apparatus. In this class, let us discuss about the structure and functions of the next membrane-bound cell organelle, that is Golgi apparatus. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus both are single membrane-bound cell organelle. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus both are single membrane-bound cell organelle. Means cell organelle which is covered by single layer of membrane or single layered membrane. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, or it is also called as Golgi complex. It is called as Golgi apparatus or also called as Golgi complex. Now, first I will draw the structure of Golgi apparatus. See, this Golgi apparatus contains thin curved sacs like this. It contains thin curved sacs, tubules like structure. See, these are the thin curved sacs. And these sacs are covered by single membrane. Like this, sacs are covered by the single membrane, and here we can observe the presence of vesicles. Like this, vesicles are present. Like this, vesicles are present. See, these are vesicles. These are vesicles, whereas these thin tubules or sacs are called as cisternae. Singular cisternae, plural cisterna. Cisternae or cisterna. Golgi apparatus is a complex organelle, or Golgi complex is a complex, or it is an organ, single membrane bound organelle, and this contains membrane bound sacs, tubules and vesicles. Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex is an organelle of membrane bound sacs. Sacs means pouch. Membrane bound sacs or membrane bound pouch, and it contains membrane bound tubules and membrane bound vesicles. And this Golgi apparatus is specialized to secrete some complex biochemicals. Golgi apparatus is specialized to secrete some biochemicals. This Golgi apparatus also present near the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum is also present near the nucleus, whereas Golgi apparatus is present near the nucleus. And Golgi apparatus is present in all eukaryotic cell except mammalian RBC. Golgi apparatus is present in all eukaryotic cells. In all kinds of eukaryotic cells, Golgi apparatus is present. But Golgi apparatus is absent in prokaryotic cells. Remember, in case of prokaryotic cells, single membrane bound or double membrane bound or membrane bound cell organelles are absent. In prokaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. That means Golgi apparatus is absent in prokaryotic cell. It is present in all eukaryotic cell except mammalian RBC or red blood cells. And Golgi apparatus is present as a single complex structure in case of animal cells. In case of animal cells or in human cells, this Golgi apparatus is present as a single complex structure. Whereas in plant cells, this Golgi apparatus is present as many separate units. In plant cells, this Golgi apparatus forms separate units. That separate units are called as dictyosomes. In case of animal cells, Golgi apparatus are present as a single complex structure, whereas in plant cells, this Golgi apparatus is present as many small separate units, that is called as dictyosomes. Small separate units are called as dictyosomes. Then, in case of Golgi apparatus, membrane bound sacs are present. Membrane bound sacs which are thin and curved. The Golgi apparatus contains membrane bound thin and curved sacs. See here, these are the sacs which are thin and curved. And this thin and curved sacs which are present in the Golgi apparatus are called as cisternae. Cisternae are the thin and curved sacs present in the Golgi apparatus. And this cisternae occurs as a small stalks. See, cisternae are usually present one above the another, like stalk. Whereas the tubules and vesicles are present at the periphery of this cisternae. In the center of the Golgi apparatus, usually cisternae are present, whereas on the periphery of the cisternae, on the periphery means on the sides of the cisternae, tubules and vesicles are present. Now let us discuss about the important functions of Golgi apparatus. This is about the structure of the Golgi apparatus. Consider these are the materials which are to be secreted or excreted. The important functions of the Golgi apparatus. Functions of Golgi apparatus. Important functions of Golgi apparatus are, first one is, Golgi apparatus is helpful in the repair and synthesis of cell membrane. Golgi apparatus is helpful in repair and synthesis of cell membrane. It is helpful in repair and synthesis of cell membrane. And lysosomes. Lysosomes are formed by the Golgi apparatus. It forms lysosomes. What are lysosomes? The functions of lysosomes we'll discuss in next class. Golgi apparatus forms the lysosomes. Then the important function of the Golgi apparatus is all the type of substances which are to be secreted or excreted are packed in the vesicles of the Golgi apparatus. The vesicles which are present at the periphery of the cisternae of Golgi apparatus are helpful in packaging of the substances which are to be secreted or excreted from the cells. Thereby, after packaging of substances by the vesicles, the transport of substances takes place, or the packed substances passes to the outside of the cell. So, important function of the Golgi apparatus is packaging of substances to be secreted or excreted by the vesicles of Golgi apparatus. The substances to be secreted or excreted are packed by the vesicles, or they are packed in the vesicles. Inside the vesicles, the substances to be secreted or excreted are packed. After that, they pass into the outside. Then passes to outside. That particular substance passes to outside after packaging. Then this Golgi apparatus also helpful in storage, modification and packaging of different types of biochemicals. It is helpful in Golgi apparatus is helpful in storage, modification. It is helpful in storage, modification and packaging of various biochemicals. Packaging of various or different biochemicals which are produced by different structures of the cells. Usually, the cell wall components are synthesized by Golgi apparatus. Except cellulose, the other cell wall components are synthesized by Golgi apparatus. So, these are the important functions of Golgi apparatus. You should know the structure of Golgi apparatus, diagram and functions of Golgi apparatus. Thank you.